Good afternoon, students. Today's topic is calculation of doses. For calculation of doses, the desired dose is to produce pharmacological action to treat the specific type of disease. The doses must be important in producing the desired pharmacological action or therapeutic action. The dose of the drug can be determined by using various types of factors to be considered. The dose of the drug can be given in the pharmacopoeia represents the average maximum quantity of drug which can be administered to an adult orally within 24 hours. The doses are to be calculated based upon the using different types of proportionals. Calculation of doses based upon the age, calculation of doses based on the body weight, calculation of doses based upon the body surface area of the patients. We will discuss about individually. Calculation of doses proportional to the age. There are different number of formulas can be used for calculate the doses of children based upon the age. The children have been there are number of methods which dose of the children can be calculated from the using different types of formula and also using average adult dose. There are 4 types of formulas used for calculate the dose of the children's: Young's formula, Billings formula, Freed's formula, Cowling's formula. Young's formula, this is the first formula used for calculate the doses for children based upon the age. This formula most commonly used for children having less than 12 years of age. It means it can be formula used for calculate the doses of children having age below 12 years. The formula is dose for the child is equal to age in years by age in years plus 12 into adult dose. In this equation, age can be mentioned in years and average adult dose can be taken. Billings formula, this formula is used for calculating the doses of children having years in between 4 to 20 years. This formula using to produce calculation of doses is easy and quick. The formula is dose of for the child is equal to age in years by 20 into adult dose. In formula, age can be expressed in years. Freed's formula, this is the third formula based on the calculation of doses on age. This formula used for calculate the dose of the infants up to 2 years. In this formula, age can be expressed in months. Dose for infants is equal to age in months by 150 into adult dose. Next formula, Cowling's formula. Dose for child is equal to age at next birthday in years by 24 into adult dose. These are the 4 formulas used for calculate the dose for the children based upon their age. In this formula used for mention the age in years or months, adult dose can be used. By observing the some examples, we will discuss about individually. First problem. Example: calculate the dose for a child of 6 years old olanzapine when the adult dose is 150 mg. In this drug, child of the age is 6 years. The drug is olanzapine. The average adult dose is 150 mg. This formula used for calculate the dose of the children using Young's formula. Young's formula is equal to age in years by age plus 12 into adult dose. You will substitute the values. Age in years is 6 by 6 plus 12 into 150. They are children dose is 50 mg. Next, another example. Calculate the dose of a 5 years old using Billings formula when the adult dose is 1000 mg. In some examples, we will mention the which formula can be used. In this formula, in this problem, we will mention the using Billings formula. Observe the problem. Age is equal to 5 years. Adult dose is equal to 1000 mg. Billings formula is equal to age in years by 20 into adult dose. Age is equal to 5 by 20 into 1000 is equal to 250 mg. Next one. Third problem. Calculate the dose of the 18 months child by Freed's formula when the adult dose is 500 mg. Freed's formula works on the principle of child dose in months. By observing the problem, age in given in months, it is 18 and adult dose is 500 mg. Freed's formula, age in months by 150 into adult dose. 18 by 150 into 500 is equal to 60 mg. The dose for 18 months child is 60 mg. Thank you. These formulas we used for calculate the doses for children based upon their age. After completion of this class, you will send the some practice problems. Practice them. Thank you.